First, what you need to do is open YouTube or any app that allows you to download videos and find a green screen clip that suits your project. For this tutorial, I will choose this one. Once you downloaded the green screen video, the next step is to open any editing software of your choice. It could be CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or any other software you're comfortable with. Now import both your main video clip and the green screen video into your project. Place the main video on the timeline and then layer the green screen video on top of it. Once you have everything set up, find the cutout or chroma key option in your editing software. On some apps, this might be labeled differently like chroma or keying. Tap on it and use the color picker tool to select the green screen area in the green screen video. This will remove the green background, allowing the green screen to blend seamlessly with your main video. You can also adjust the strength of the chroma key effect. Be careful not to increase the strength too much as it might distort the edges or reduce the picture quality. Adjust it just enough to remove the green screen video. It just enough to remove the green without affecting the details of the video. And that is how you can easily add a green screen effect to your videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.